Hi guys, welcome back to Cooking TV. Today I will be making a potluck macaroni and cheese. The ingredients I will be using for this is macaroni, fresh milk, eggs, butter, salt and pepper to taste, and for my key ingredient I will be using the Edinborough Easy Cheesy. I have already boiled the macaroni. I'm going to add the milk, the butter, 2 egg whites, salt and pepper to taste, and then I'm going to be using my key ingredient, the Edinborough Easy Cheesy. And then we're going to give it a good mix. Once the mixing is done, we'll be leaving this to bake for 20 minutes. I will now be garnishing this with some parsley. Just sprinkle some on the top and give it a good mix. I will now be plating the macaroni. It's really easy, cheesy and super convenient to use, not forgetting how cheesy the product is.
Grab your laptop, grab your pen, it's you and I alone again. It's super fun, it's super easy, it's cooking TV.